Hello everyone and welcome back to A2Z Ozone, and in this video, we will be going over how to use an ozone generator to ozonate water. Do not forget to check out our website to see our ozone generators and blog posts. An ozone generator is an ozonator for water treatment. It has the ability to treat anywhere from a glass to a gallon of water. Use the ozonator for small storage tanks, for example. To treat water, use the white or gray diffuser stone that comes with the ozone generator. Place in a glass or stainless steel container. Select a program function that will work with your application. For instance, if you are ozonating a glass of water, use one of the one-time functions. Set the unit on a counter so the tubing is above the glass so that water does not enter back into the machine. Take precautions and your machine will last longer. Ozone is O3 and oxygen is O2. The unstable ozone molecule from ozone breaks down. The extra oxygen atom attaches itself to contaminants in the water. Thank you so much for watching this video. Do not forget to subscribe and have a good day.